Ito, para maging effective ang prayer mo. Don't worry, hindi mo kailangan magpatay ng goat o kaya pumwesto kung saang lugar. Walang ganun. Very practical lang. Sabi sa 1 Peter 4:7, "The end of all things is at hand. Therefore be self-controlled and sober-minded for the sake of your prayer." Una, you have to have an eternal perspective. Yan o, the end of all things is at hand. When you pray, hindi makamundo yung perspective mo. It's not about you. It's about Jesus. Tapos sabi rin, ito yon, napaka-practical lang. Therefore, be self-controlled and sober-minded for the sake of, ayan, your prayers. Self-controlled and sober-minded. Nagpe-pray ka ng good health. May self-controlled ka ba sa pagkain? Nag-pray ka ng makapasa ka sa exam. May self-control ka ba? Nag-review ka ba? Nag-aral ka ba? O puro ka gaming? Do you give in ba sa kung ano yung gusto ng flesh mo, ng emotion mo, ng damdamin?